Carol Gerronsin, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, California Properties. And if I got a special property for you that I'm so excited about in Yorba, Linda, the land of gracious living. And listen how special this really is. First of all, super quiet neighborhood. 4,000 square foot, single level living. 5 bedrooms. Almost a 19,000 square foot lot with an infinity pool, 4-car garage. You can't find that anywhere. So come on, let's take a look at this incredible home. So as you enter these beautiful double doors into a spacious foyer with voluminous ceilings, you will look at this gorgeous living room that has a cozy fireplace, lots of windows, built-ins right here for any knickknacks, books, etc. And then it's adjacent to this great dining room with these beautiful doors that lead to the outdoors. And imagine all the dinner guests you can have at this table. So as I come from the dining room, my gosh, look at this kitchen. Large center island that you can sit here, and if you ever do a buffet, you can put all of your food along there and people can come and get it. You've got your pantry, 6-burner stove, double ovens, microwave, refrigerator, freezer, and kitchen desk, along with this wonderful breakfast nook here. And what's so wonderful about this spacious kitchen is that it's wide open to this great family room. Okay, so I'm walking from the kitchen, and guess what? We can all just belly up to this bar right here. Such a lovely primary suite. And as we walk over here, we've got these beautiful doors that literally lead to these gorgeous grounds, which also has a view. Now it's a hazy day today, but you do have a view. And adjacent is this great bath arena. So the bath arena features ladies and gentlemen's vanities, a walk-in closet, spacious shower, and oh my God, a luxurious soaking tub to just lay and relax and look out at the view. Off the entry, you'll see this room that they utilize as an office, but literally could be a bedroom. And then we have 3 other secondary bedrooms that are all en suite. So they each feature their own private bath, which is so wonderful. So, no way do I want to leave these grounds. I am in love. So as I sit here along the bar and barbecue, where you and your friends and family could all congregate, there are different areas of congregation, but oh my gosh, an infinity pool. Look at this, how gorgeous with the view. Cozy fireplace to sit out there with a glass of wine. And then you've got a basketball court too. This has everything. And you are going to fall in love like I have. I can guarantee that. Okay, so just picture yourself with this gorgeous infinity pool, spa, beautiful, beautiful view, sitting with a cup of coffee, a glass of wine, whatever. This is the perfect spot for anything your heart desires.